Look at that sharp haircut. It looks so good.
Look at that. I know a personal barber. Welcome back from Italy.
I missed you.
Ich lieb dich.
Ich lieb dich.
Ich hab dir vermisst.
Sehr schön.
No. Good enough. Cheers.
Tschüss. Is that our baby?
Oh, Ruhezeit.
Uhrzeit.
Man, what a pretty day. The wind hit last night. Okay. Man, it's gonna be another hot day. Wow. Uh-oh. Be careful, Bubba. Yeah, go. We're good. Be nice. Be nice. Boy, you better eat.
Hi.
Well, who's back from the Tennessee?
Gladly.
Was it Tennessee? Did you go to Tennessee?
No, I went to Italy.
Oh,
It
Italia.
rhymes. It rhymes with Tennessee.
Yes, look at that. What you got?
My favorite that you make. It's so nummy and delicious. You've been spoiling me. Thank you. And I missed you so much.
All right, there's a lot of colors in here. You enjoy it. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, I could not have tried to do a Ruhetag Sonntag without riding a Sonntag, right? I just went around the block for a minute. Whew! Can I just say, good Lord, I'm out of shape. Also, I am not 20 years old. That bike is really hard to ride when you're older. My knees were popping. But all in all, it's a good bike. And thanks everybody for chiming in on my last video. Yeah, there's a couple of things that I need to do. One thing I should consider is dropping the seat. I tried to ride it right now, and I do not think I could do it with the seat dropped as far down as it can, because I'm not really doing any tricks. And another one of you guys told me that the pegs I got, they're not grindable. So they've got ridges on them, and if I tried to grind anything, if I even jumped up enough, high enough for that to happen, nothing would happen. I would just lock in place and fall forward. So thanks for that tip. Those are freestyle pegs, and the only thing I could probably do on those over time is a little manual. I don't know, but what am I thinking, man? I'm like, that's why it was called a midlife crisis, I guess. I mean, midlife BMX crisis. But yeah, let's put this right here and, you know, let y'all see that I am riding it slowly. Excuse me? Excuse me. Wait. I am. Look at that silhouette. I look like I should be in Rad 2. Yeah. I tried to beat you to the door, but obviously that didn't work. Hi, Lou. Hey, what's up, girl? Hi, Ludo. Did you have a good time? I tried to find you. I saw the car, but I wasn't trusting these tires to get on the gravel. Oh. Okay, well.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was good. Well, anyways, I thought Ruhetag Sonntag on a Sunday would.
Oh, cool. That's a good idea.
Yeah, I know what I'm thinking. Now I'm gonna go
It's
water.
creative.
I'm gonna go ahead and water the grass a little bit.
All right. Me and Ludo are going to go inside and I'm going to start these wings.
All right, then.
Chicken wing Sunday.
Oh, sounds good to me. Mein Gott!
Oh, mein Gott.
It was a burner today.
It got up to 89, but with no AC, it was pretty hot.
Yeah, we're going to just say it was 90, 98, 100, because that's what we think it is. Anyways, cheers, Prost.
Cheers, Prost.
And then glad you're back.
Kiss.
Glad you're back.
We watched Obsession last night. I'm going to start doing that to Dave.
Nope. Anyways, before we let the cat out the bag, if you were scared of relationships or have doubts,
Don't watch that.
Don't watch Obsession. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed our Ruhetag Sonntag, and thanks for being here with us. And yeah, have a good rest of the week. Yeah. And from the immortal words of Dave, Heather, and Ludo on this Ruhetag Sonntag.
Ludo saying cheers too.
Oh, wait. Hello?
Yeah, I'll get in there with them.
Cheers! Wait. In the immortal words of Dave, Heather, and Ludo. Cheers! Right, Lou?
He's like, give me a snack.
Give me a drink.
There you go, Bubba. And get you some water.
Yeah.